I have a number of questions asked of me about dining room floors. Shell, how do I take the bounce out of my dining room floor? Every time I walk across it, the china cabinets bouncing and rattling, not to say with the embarrassment I have when I have company in, but what about the aggravation that we have every time we walk through the dining room? Well, come on downstairs and I'll show you how to repair that. Now, let me show you what happens when the bounce takes place. I can show you with a piece of 1x3 strapping by wedging it in underneath the joist. And then we have Mike upstairs, our producer, and we'll see when he bounces the floor. Now you can see the deflection in that piece of 1x3, showing that there is enough twist and movement in that joist, giving that bounce. Now in order to take that bounce out, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1x3 strapping. I'm going to strap the ceiling at 12-inch centers. Coming off the wall, 12 inches, and every 12 inches, I'm going to put a piece of 1x3 strapping in place. That way, we're actually forming a whole box frame with the subfloor above, the joist, and then the 1x3 strapping, giving that floor lots of rigid strength. So let's get at the installation. Now, some folks will put drywall right on the underside of the joist. That's not the thing to do because you're not taking the bounce out. And when you don't take the bounce out, you're just going to have nail pops after nail pops after nail pops. So always the 1x3, then the drywall, and then the finishing, and it gives you a real good finished ceiling. Well, there you have it, folks. The whole rattle and roll is gone. No more aggravating noises coming out of that china cabinet back there. Not to say the embarrassment when you have those neighbors in as well. You know, it's just as easy as putting those straps in the right place and screwing it to the underside of the joist. Why don't you give it a try?